7 years ago, the first flag that we raised was the Haitian flag. And in keeping with the tradition and the fact that Paterson is proud of our Haitian population and that we are a better city because Haitians call us home, we want to celebrate one of our own because history has been made. Yes, thanks to Derrick Étienne Jr. The Haitian national team is going back to the World Cup for the first time. 51 years. You know who was born 51 years ago? Derrick Étienne Sr. Yes. And when he was born, his first words were, "We're going to go back to the World Cup finals in 51 years."
And he did it.
You would have been talented if you said that. I'm not sure. That would have been amazing. But this is amazing. Because this young man to my left, it was over 5 years ago, won a Major League Soccer championship with the Columbus Crew. Nice. And I was proud to, yes, finish. So the champ is here. Come on. Yes. And I was proud to bestow upon him the highest honor that the mayor can give anyone, the key to the city. Now, he's still trying to figure out if it opens anything up at City Hall. It does not. Nevertheless, in keeping with themes, or the theme of champions, because Paterson, as you'll hear from our next speaker, is a city of champions. You heard it. In professional soccer, we have a champion in Derrick. In professional basketball, we have Essence Carson, who won a WNBA championship with the LA Sparks. In boxing, you have Kendall Holt, Frankie Toledo, and now Shadasia Green. First woman not only from Paterson to win a world title, but from New Jersey.
Nice.
Baseball, look at it. Larry Doby broke the color barrier first in the American League a few months after Jackie Robinson did it in the National League with the Brooklyn Dodgers. Football, Victor Cruz salsa'd his way to a Super Bowl with the New York Football Giants. You see the theme here. City of Champions. And so our first speaker knows a little bit about championships. I believe he won 7 championships as a head football coach of the Paterson Catholic Cougars. But his talent goes beyond the gridiron because also on the diamond, he won a championship with Eastside High School's baseball team in Puerto Rico in 1993. Ladies and gentlemen, Haitians, brothers and sisters, I give you Senator Benji E. Wimberly.
Good afternoon. I wish our mayor had a little more enthusiasm. You do us a disservice by not showing us energy, but I appreciate the mayor's energy. Yes, because this is a big day. And as you walk into a museum, the Étienne family belongs in the museums here.